I don't want to know about him. I want to know about
I think he has my butt. Turn.
Mom, I'm trying to videotape a seagull.
Okay, then what about? Okay, stay here, Julian. Me and Nina gonna do a mission. Stay here with Abuelita.
Why? What are you guys gonna do?
I need to go check out the safety of the ocean.
Oh my god, that bird is gonna kill me. Me and my bird take a little trip downtown, Eden Brown. Two birds in one frame. New achievement unlocked. Eva, I'm trying to take some careful shots of a bird. Let's follow that one.
Puppy, stay here with Abuelita. Eva.
Oh no, the birds are getting close. We must seagull take a little trip downtown, doing up front. Right, where's the seagull? Yes. Ooh la la, it's a seagull. Ooh la la.
Puppy, stay here. I'll be right back. Nina and I are doing a meditation. Very spiritual.
Why?
Eran de pichones.
And birds take a little trip downtown. 3 birds in one shot. 3 birds in one shot. Don't give food to the birds. I don't know you, but it just sounds weird. Oh. Look, look. Nope, nope, nope. I just want to see it fly. Is it gonna attack me? Oh my god. Someone, did they throw some? Look at that bird.
Did you get to the closer or far away?
Me and my bird. Boogaloo tip. Boogaloo tip. Boogaloo tip. Oh, Eva, sorry, Eva. I only got your hair, alright? Don't worry, no face. Eva, try to stay out of the camera, alright? I'm posting this to YouTube. Okay. Okay, birdie. It's gonna be you and me tonight. Okay? 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 Okay! Let's see which camera. That is a nice birdie. Seagulls in the city. Seagulls in the middle of the night. Is the seagull gonna chase? Oh boy. Me and my seagull. Alright guys, I think we've captured enough seagulls. On to the next video. Alright, on to the next video. Alright, guys, hello guys. This is a face cam of the beach. Now, I'm going to take one more shot of the bird. Well, alright, on to the next shot. So, I just want to say this transition for when we get to the next shot, which won't be in like 5 minutes in my time. You'll see within like the next 2 seconds. Anyway, goodbye guys. I'm sorry, this is a surprise shoot, but the bird was literally just eating these chips. Come on, birdie. Come on, birdie.
I'll try to
Get some more chips. It's gonna eat it. It's gonna eat it. It's gonna eat it. It's eating it. I was born to eat. Eaters on my feet.
Give me no cracker because I don't think there's any more chips.
They give the bird a cracker. You know, I don't care if it's bad for them. I don't care right now.
No.
Wow.
Aquí está.
No more, Eva. I think that's enough.
Okay.
I think the birds are gonna get fat thanks to you. Just one more, right?
One more?
Yeah, I just want to catch this.
Mira, mira.
Ow! Eva!
Ya le dije.
Do not.
All right.
Aquí.
Julian told me to do it.
Julian told me to do it.
Okay, I didn't.
I'm gonna go restroom. Quiet. Okay, go restroom.
But I think we've given the birds enough food. Well, this is just a surprise shot since I thought that was entertaining. If I get arrested for animal cruelty, it's not my fault, Eva. I will not be raised in court. Just wanted to say that. We're on the hunt for my mom. You know, I don't care if I get sandy feet. Yup, that's definitely Mom. Look at oh. Okay. Mom. Mom. Come on.
Huh?
Mommy.
Puppy, you don't want your jacket?
No.
You're
I
not
don't
cold?
need it. I don't need it at the moment.
Okay, you wanna? Well, let's go to the beach. Come on.
Wait, no, I don't want to go to the beach yet.
Let's
I want to
go
put
now.
my sandals back.
Here, just carry them. Take them off. Here, give them to me.
I'm vlogging right now, by the way.
That means I can't express myself. That's rude.
No, it's not rude.
It is rude. I don't want to be recorded. It's like I want to experience and capture this moment in my mind.
Come on, Mom, can you just talk?
Oh wait, let go of my hand.
Yes, Mom. Don't get too close to the water, right? Seaweed. Mom, I think this is good enough.
Oh my God, so many people in the water. That's so crazy.
Alright, come on, Mom, let's go. I want to go somewhere else. I don't want to go close to the water because...
Okay, go that way. Go that way. Just walk.
So, Mom, I want to show you something after.
Oh, I don't want to look at a video right now. You know what though? Let me take a picture of you so I can send Dad tag. Stand over here.
Well, guys, we're gonna have to stop the video here.
Stand over there.
Be right back. Alright, guys, we're recording some more video. We're not gonna record in Meepo. So, as you can see, seaweed. Yo, seaweed. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, what are flies doing on the beach?
What up, Juju?
I'm recording right now. Okay, what? Nothing. Hi, Nina. Would you like to talk to the camera? Well, look at all these flies. Or whatever this is. Good thing it has an IP rating of 6.8. Otherwise, if a fly got into it, it would have just broke.
I thought I took a picture of you guys, but I don't think so. No picture. Like the starting one. That was the false alarm one. That's so cool though.
Yeah.
You have an instant memory.
Yeah,
Because now it's the opposite. Now that's a treat.
Yes, instant memory. What up, Juju?
I'm still okay. Yeah. Hi.
Those things flying.
I like your jacket. It's cool. Can I borrow it?
I'm in my ocean. Boogaloo down. Boogie down.
I know.
I'm in my ocean.
Crazy dude.
This ocean, guys. This is cool, isn't it?
Can I hurt them? Floaters?
Yes, I dropped off the donkey.
I just wanted to show you guys the ocean. I gotta be with my family, so I got actually. Should I keep going? Mom, could I keep going on the vlog?
Okay, go over there.
Anyway, I'm just gonna. Don't worry, I could survive. More seagulls. Hoo boy. Hoo boy, we got 4 seagulls in one shot. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Hey, well, guys, I don't really have anything else to show, so have a nice day and bye. Well, guys, this is just a side note, but I just want to say that the video is over now. So goodbye. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. Oh my